Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS news for Friday, November 18. The project to add another 190 megawatts of energy to the national grid is close to taking a significant step forward. Chairman of the Electricity Sector Enterprise Team, Dr. Vincent Lawrence, says financial clearance for the retrofitting of the JPS Old Harbour plant is expected by the end of November or the latest mid-December. He was speaking at the recent commissioning of the LNG terminal to supply the JPS Bogue plant in Montego Bay.
So we now look forward to the construction of Jamaica's second LNG facility, WES. And having successfully completed the first, we are confident of what will be achieved in the one you're going to build in the Old Harbour Bay region.
The financial clearance will pave the way for the start of the work next year to replace obsolete generating capacity at the St. Catherine plant. The mining and mineral sector in Jamaica is expected to play a more significant role in driving economic growth. Principal Director in the Ministry of Transport and Mining, Dr. Oral Renford, says there are significant business opportunities and earning potential in using local raw material to produce high value-added products.
We are saying to the investors, value-added products, the grout and thin set, the cement, the tiles, all of these things that we need, we can do them here. Let us start with a focus on providing for the local market. You develop the capacity, the production capacity, and once that has been satisfied, meaning the local market, we are in a better position to look at external markets.
Dr. Renford told a JIS think tank that limestone was already being used locally in the making of paint, soap, animal feed, PVC, and other products. He says focus under the new minerals policy will be on sustainability and the value chain progression, which will employ more skilled persons and graduates of tertiary institutions. Ground has been broken for the construction of a new infirmary in Portland. Under the first phase of the project, wooden structures are being demolished and replaced with a new building that will house female inmates at the infirmary. Local Government and Community Development Minister Desmond McKenzie says the project is the first in a series which will also see the refurbishment of infirmaries in St. James, Manchester, and Westmoreland.
So these state-of-the-art buildings are going to be equipped with solar water heating system and lighting. We're going to be using rainwater harvesting to minimize the cost of water.
Infirmaries in Trelawney and St. Anne have already been upgraded. Minister McKenzie says they are now ready for the transfer of hospital patients who have recovered from their illnesses for some time but have nowhere to go.
Those two facilities will account for more than 30 patients who are presently in hospitals occupying bed space that is needed. And we are going to continue that process right across the country because we want to free up the hospitals so that those who need to be in the hospitals will be able to utilize the hospital space.
Meanwhile, plans are far advanced for the construction of a modern market in Port Maria. On Tuesday, the local government minister toured the existing market and assured vendors that tenders for the new building were with the National Contracts Commission.
I am hoping that the market will, when it is finished, it will be able, as I said earlier on, to do the kind of things for the town that the present location cannot do.
Minister McKenzie also urged the parish council to find a suitable location near the current market for the new structure. Once constructed, the $68 million two-story market will accommodate 70 vendors on the first floor, while the second floor will have space for entrepreneurs. The state-of-the-art facility is being constructed with money from the Equalization Fund. It will have 2 external staircases, an elevator, LED lighting, water harvesting and adequate parking, among other amenities. And finally, the long-awaited fire station for Port Maria will be constructed in the next financial year. The old station has been out of commission for about 20 years.
The contract, the design, and everything for the fire station is well advanced. As a matter of fact, just about 6 weeks ago, we concluded some discussions with JIS on the proposed project. And it is important that we get it right as it relates to the fire station. It is not just a pipe dream. It is something that will happen.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.